Is my job safe when I return from FMLA leave? Imagine taking time off to care for a loved one or to recover from an illness, only to wonder if your job will still be there when you get back. That's a common concern for many employees. When you use leave under the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA, you gain certain protections designed to keep your job safe. But how does it really work? Let's break it down. First, the law applies to employees who meet specific criteria. You need to have worked for your employer for at least 12 months, and during that time, you must have put in at least 1,250 hours. Also, your employer must have at least 50 employees within a 75-mile radius. If you meet these requirements, you are eligible for up to 12 weeks of unpaid leave each year for qualifying family or medical reasons. When you take FMLA leave, your employer is required to keep your group health insurance coverage active under the same terms as if you were working. If you normally pay part of your health insurance premiums, you must continue to do so while on leave. This helps ensure your health benefits are not interrupted. The main protection the law offers is that your job must be kept open for you. When you return from FMLA leave, your employer generally has to restore you to the same job or an equivalent one. An equivalent job means it's nearly identical in pay, benefits, and responsibilities. This protection is meant to prevent employers from penalizing employees for taking legally protected leave. There are some exceptions. If you are among the highest paid 10% of employees, your employer might not be required to restore you if doing so would cause serious financial harm to the business. But this is rare and involves specific notice rules. For most workers, the right to return to the same or an equivalent position is clear. Employers cannot interfere with your FMLA rights or retaliate against you for taking leave. That means you cannot be fired, demoted, or treated unfairly because you used FMLA. If you believe your rights have been violated, you can file a complaint with the U.S. Department of Labor or seek legal advice. It's important to follow your employer's procedures for requesting leave. Usually, you should give at least 30 days notice if your leave is planned. If it's an emergency, notify your employer as soon as possible. Keeping records of your leave requests and communications can help protect your rights. While FMLA provides strong protections, disputes can happen. Sometimes an employer might claim your position was eliminated for reasons unrelated to your leave, or that you were not restored due to pre-existing performance issues. These situations often need careful review and sometimes legal help. If you're thinking about applying for FMLA leave, review your company's policies, keep good records, and communicate clearly. If you have questions or face problems, reach out to your human resources department or a legal professional. In the end, FMLA is designed to protect your job when you need time off for family or medical reasons. Knowing your rights and responsibilities helps ensure those protections work as they should.